Hello everyone and welcome to the video tutorial on how you can upload files inside ChatGPT. This is Savin from Create, Login and Delete, and without further ado, let's jump into our topic. So in order to make ChatGPT be able to upload a file inside it, what you can simply do is paste the prompt right here that's present in the description of the video. Just paste it in the place where the prompt goes in ChatGPT and click on enter. So after you do this, script will take the data for the file and submit it to ChatGPT, and for a large file script, it's broken into chunks and fed to ChatGPT. In the prompt that we pass, we will be asking ChatGPT to create a button called submit file and another object that will represent the progress bar about how much the content of the file has been calculated. Now the code right here also creates an element that will receive these types of file formats, and if the file formats are over 15,000 characters, then it'll break them to chunks and submit them to ChatGPT. So after you've been presented with a result of the prompt that you pass, what I recommend for you to do is just go right here and click on copy code, right click on it, go to inspect, go to the console section right here, clear out the errors of the console and paste the code that you had just copied and hit the enter button in the keyboard. So after you do this, you can see right here in the ChatGPT screen that you'll be able to submit file now. And just below the submit file is the progress bar, which will show the progress of how much of the data is being calculated. So to check this out, let's just click on submit file. Let me enter a file. Now you can see that the file has just been uploaded to ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT loads the characters into the chat and submits it, and you can also see the progress bar reflect how much is being inserted. Now since my prompt was really short and it doesn't have much long of a content, and after the files are complete, then you see the progress bar blue right here. If a file is too large with too many characters, what ChatGPT does is that it dissects the characters into parts and gives us the result according to that. Now in order to have this feature as a bookmark inside your browser, what you can simply do is just copy the code right here of the first prompt that we had given. Just copy the result of the first prompt, click on copy code right here, and then after the code's been copied, what you want to do is just go to the new chat section right here, click on it, and in order to convert the feature to a bookmarklet, what you want to do is simply pass this prompt right here and paste the code that we had copied before. Click on enter, and right here you can see the bookmarklet code. So copy this code, go to bookmark section right here, click on more and give a name to a bookmark, click on save. And after that, your bookmark has been saved, and whenever you turn on that bookmark, you'll see the submit file and the progress bar right below it. So that's how you do it. That's how you upload files inside ChatGPT. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.